Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima, your go to place for improving your English speaking skills. Today, we are talking about one of the most common words in English, to. It's small, but incredibly useful whether you're talking about direction, time, comparison, or even why you did something. To plays a big role. Stick around to learn all the ways you can use this tiny word in your daily conversation. So, let's get started. First up, we use to when we want to show a destination, basically, where someone or something is going. Let me give you some examples. I am going to Germany. This sentence is telling us where you are headed, Germany. Whether you're talking about traveling or even just walking to another room, who shows the direction. Second, I have, we are going to a restaurant tonight. Here, two shows where we are going to a restaurant. It can be used for any place, whether it's near or far. So, next time when you are telling someone where you are heading, just use to. I have a pro tip for you. Whenever you're talking about movement or travel, think of the word to as a little arrow pointing towards your destination. Next, the another reason to use to is for time. This is especially helpful when you're talking about hours, days, or even schedules. It's a quarter to two. Here, two is telling us that it's 15 minutes before 2 o'clock. Anytime you're counting down the time to the next hour, you use two, like 10 minutes to noon or 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. Easy, right? Next example you have, the restaurant is open for Monday to Friday. In this case, 2 is showing the range of days the restaurant is open. It works with the time too. We work from 9 to 5. When talking about the time period, like when something starts and ends, we say from at the beginning and to show the ending point, just like from 9 to 5, meaning the start and finish times of your workday. Another useful way to use to is when you are comparing two things. This helps you to show a preference. I prefer sleeping to working. Here I'm comparing two activities, sleeping and working. And of course, I prefer sleeping. In any comparison, the word to helps you show which option you like more. Whenever you are comparing, just remember to use T or to between the two things. Now, let's talk about how we are going to use to show the receiver of an action. This is especially common when you're talking about giving something to someone. For example, I gave my book to a follower. In this sentence, to shows who is getting the book. The book is going to the follower. Whether you're talking about giving gifts, sending messages, or even offering help, you will use to show who is on the receiving end. Lastly, we can use to when we want to explain the reason for doing something. This is super helpful when you to talk about why you took action. I did it to make more money. Here, what is the purpose of my action? The purpose of my action is that I did something was to make money. I came to see you. This sentence shows the reason I came to visit you. Anytime you want to explain why you are doing something, just think of it too as a way of connecting your action with the reason behind it. Whenever you're talking about your goals or reasons, use to followed by a verb. For example, to learn, to grow, to help. It connects your action to its purpose. See how this little word can do so much in our lives. It is used in so many different situations. Now, you can confidently use to when speaking in English. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Explorers with Rhythma for more practical English lessons. Comment below with the sentence using to. I would love to see what you come up with. Stay updated, stay healthy.